Lions often appear in the work of Dali, but they do not always possess the same meaning. Lions' heads, for example, represent sexual desire, a desire that terrified Dali, who gave them a monstrous form. The lion is also the symbol of his father. He has an authoritarian presence, with which Dali feels observed and guilty. We also find the lion in Invisible Sleeping Woman, Horse, Lion. With his paranoiac method, Dali manages to obtain the double image of the woman and the horse, and that of a third image, a lion. At the end of his life, Dali was surrounded by 2 lions on the throne, where he sat to receive journalists in Pubol. What must they have meant? Desire, authority, or duplicity? Or was he searching for the same protection from the lions' heads that watched over the crypt where Gala was buried?